It's been almost 3 months since I got my mechanical keyboard, and I have to say it's time for a maintenance. Hello my friends, if you would like a chance to win my set of Gateron Blue switches, stay until the very end of the video to find out how. My friends, I've been waiting for this package and it's finally here. This is a crucial part of my modification build for my keyboard, as this foam goes in between the PCB and the plate to isolate the sound and making it less hollow. If you'll be adding a foam between your PCB and plate, make sure that the spacebar bar is not touching the foam, as it will affect the bounce back. Would you like a chance to win my Gateron Blue switches? To have a chance to win, leave a comment below, leave your number. If you're the first commenter, leave number 1. If you are the 33rd commenter, leave number 33. Until 100 is hit, I will make a raffle draw, and I will make a video calling out that number. To be sure that you win, subscribe and stay tuned for that video.